Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Ecosport gear knob. First, gather your necessary tools, including a small flathead screwdriver and your brand new replacement gear knob. Having everything prepared beforehand will make the process much smoother and quicker. This simple DIY task can refresh your car's interior and improve your driving experience with a fresh feel. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's remove the old gear knob. Begin by gently detaching the gear gaiter or boot from its base. This usually involves prying up the trim around it. Next, look for any retaining clips or a tie clip securing the knob to the shifter shaft. Release these carefully. Once released, firmly pull the old gear knob straight upwards. It might require a bit of force, but it should slide off the shaft. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully align the new gear knob with the shifter shaft, ensuring it faces the correct direction. Then, push the new knob down firmly onto the shaft until it seats securely. You should feel it click or lock into place. If your model uses clips or a tie clip, reattach them now to ensure the knob is completely secure and stable. To finalize the installation, perform a few checks. Test the new gear knob by shifting through all gears to ensure it's stable and functions properly without any looseness. Next, neatly reattach the gear gaiter or boot to its base, making sure all clips are engaged for a clean finish. Your Ford Ecosport now has a refreshed gear knob. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.